it's Gina with WTI. And when it was time to update the look in our laundry area, I wanted something that was going to be lightweight, easy to install, and would instantly refresh the look. One of the options that I was looking into was using bamboo panels, and I'm so glad I found these ones from YuUniqex. They have such a beautiful look to them. The texture on these is gorgeous and was exactly what I was looking for. It gives you that kind of tranquil spa feel to it. That's lovely. I got the raw finish because I didn't want something that was too shiny. This has a little bit of shine to it, but nothing that's going to blind you. These are completely flexible, and we chose to hang them with brads and our nail gun. Cutting it down to size was as easy as just using a utility knife, and we got the 48 by 96 inch panels, and this was so perfect for the wall that we chose to put it on. We did notice that when we used the brads, it might split a little bit, and it didn't crack all the way down the bamboo at all. Of course, if you're choosing to use adhesive to apply them to your walls, then you won't have to worry about that. I think you'll be as happy as I am with these panels, and that's my point of view.